Next. So dito, introduce muna natin yung equations of a line. Kasi ito yung mga next natin. So dapat kabisado natin itong apat na form na pwede natin gamitin kapag kumuha tayo ng equation of a line. So number one, that is the slope-intercept form. Ginagamit natin ang slope-intercept form kapag ang given ay slope, which is yung m, and the y-intercept, which is the b. And ito ang pattern. Y is equal to mx plus b. So, dapat kabisado natin ito. Kapag naman ang given sa ating problem is 1 point and the slope m. So, na kung saan yung point, diba, that's coordinates x and y. So, ito naman yung form na gagamitin natin. And that is what we call point-slope form dahil na mayroong point and mayroong slope na given. Ito naman sa number 3, 2-point form, meaning there are 2 points given. Yung x sub 1, y sub 1 para kay point number 1, x sub 2, y sub 2 para kay point number 2. And dapat kabisado natin yung form na to. Y minus y sub 1 is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1 times the quantity x minus x sub 1. Na kung saan yung y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1 is equal to the slope. Kaya kung mapapansin ninyo, kay number 2 and number 3, ang pinagkaiba lang nila is yung m. Diba? Yung m na to. Meaning, yung m kay number 2, ayan yung y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1 kay number 3. Kaya pwede nyo gamitin yung formula na to kapag ang pinapahanap lang is the value of the slope. Lastly, yung pang-apat na form is the intercept form. So, sinawag yan intercept form dahil ang given naman ay y-intercept, which is the b, and the x-intercept, which is a. And that is x over a plus y over b equal to 1. And yung y-intercept, this is the value of y when x is equal to 0. Pwede natin gamitin ito. Halimbawa, pinahanap sa atin, what is the y-intercept? So, ang gawin nyo lang, isubstitute nyo lang yung x as 0. And yung x-intercept naman ay nakukuha when y is equal to 0. So, mag-proceed tayo. Number 15. Find the equation of the line given the slope m is equal to 3 and the y-intercept, and that is the variable p, diba? And the y-intercept is equal to negative 2. So, kung babalik tayo dito, ang gagamitin natin is the form number 1. Y is equal to mx plus b. Y is equal to mx plus b. So, direct substitution, the value of m is 3. Kopyahin natin yung variable x. And then, the value of b is negative 2. So, lumabas din yung answer, letter A. Number 16. Find the equation of a straight line given a slope m is equal to 3 and the y-intercept is equal to 1. Ganun ulit. So, form number 1, y is equal to mx plus b. So, y is equal to 3x plus 1. Pero yung y is equal to 3x plus 1 ay wala pa sa ating choices. And pansinin ninyo, they are all equal to 0. Ibig sabihin, lahat ay pinagsama-sama sa iisang side ng ating equation and positive yung x variable. So dito, para magawa natin yun, panatilihin nating positive yung x variable, si y ang ilipat natin. So 0 is equal to 3x, magiging negative na yung y, plus 1. So ito yung answer. And siya ay kay letter A. Tama. Letter A. Number 17. Find the slope of the line defined by y minus x is equal to 5. So, find the slope. And alam natin sa analytic geometry, the slope is the variable m. And kanino bang form pinakamadaling hanapin ng variable f? So using form number 1 pa din, the slope-intercept form, y is equal to mx plus b. So biyahin lang natin yung form na to. And kung sino yung makakatabi ni x, ayun na yung slope. Diba? Ganun lang kadali yan. Para ma-isolate natin yung variable y sa left, ilipat lang natin mismo yung variable x sa sa right side. So from negative x, magiging positive x plus 5, and ang katabi ni x ay invisible 1. Therefore, the value of palapit sa base, pero hindi siya lalapit sa letter A. Hindi siya number 18. Find the equation of the line determined by the points 3, negative 1, negative 4, 5. So, ang given natin ay 2 points, di ba? Wherein, sabihin na lang natin that the point number 1 is 3, negative 1, yung point A, and the point number 2 is negative 4, 5. So, dahil given yung dalawang points, babalikan natin yung nilista natin ng mga forms, gagamitin natin yung number 3. Because the given are 2 points. Y minus y sub 1 is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1 multiplied by the quantity x minus x sub 1. So, gawin natin. So, the pattern is y minus y sub 1 equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1 multiplied by x minus x sub 1. So, copy the variable y. Yung y sub 1 natin, that is the y coordinate of the point number 1, which is negative 1, equals to, yung y sub 2, ayan yung y ni point 2, which is 5, so, minus negative 1, divided by yung x sub 2 natin is negative 4, minus 3, and then x minus yung x ng point number 1 natin is 3. So, this will become minus minus 1, magiging positive 1. And 5 minus minus 1 is 6. Negative 4 minus 3 is negative 7. I'm not mistaken. So, tama. Multiply by negative 3. So, cross-multiply natin yung negative 7 dito sa ating left side. So, madidistribute siya. Magiging negative 7y. And then, minus yung negative 7 times 1. That is also negative 7. Mawawala na siya dito sa right side. So, ang matitira dito is 6 times x minus 3. I-distribute na natin 6 sa loob. So, ayan ay magiging 6x minus 18. And check nyo lagi yung choices. Yung lahat ng variables ay nasa left side, and then the constant term is on the right side or nasa kabilang side ko yung bahala. And ang positive is yung x. So, dahil positive si x, panahin natin si 6x sa right side, ang ilipat natin ay si 7y. So, matitira dito yung negative 7, tsaka ay 6x. Si negative 7y ay magiging positive. And then, si negative 18, ililipat din natin sa kabila kasi nga ihihiwalay natin yung constant term sa variable terms. So, negative 18 ay magiging positive 18. So, 18 minus 7, that is 11, which is equal to 6x plus 7y. And that is letter A. So, A pa din ang answer. Ang ginamit natin dito ay 2.4 dahil given na yung dalawang points. So, kung nakalimutan nyo naman yan, nakalimutan nyo yung 2.1, pwede nyo gamitin yung TF passive. Sabihin nyo lang kung sinong equation magsasatisfy kapag sinubstitute nyo yung 3, negative 1, at saka negative 4 and 5 sa mga choices. So, sino sa kanila yun mag-equal to 11. Number 19. The line passes through 1 and negative 3, then negative 4, 2. Write the equation of the line in slope-intercept form. Siyempre, nasa board exam na tayo, kaya nasa quiz, nasa pre-board na tayo, mababasa niyo yung board na the line passes through 1, negative 3, and negative 4, 2. So, ang solution number 1 is the dm passing through. So, substitute nyo lang yung 1, negative 3, negative 4 sa x and y sa choices kung sino yung magsasatisfy. Pero gawin natin yung method dito. So, given 2 points pa din. So, dahil given ay 2 points, 2-point form yung gagawin natin. And the pattern is y minus y sub 1 equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1 times the quantity x minus x sub 1. So let us assume that the point number 1 is 1 and negative 3. Therefore, yung x sub 1 natin ay 1. And then yung y sub 1 is negative 3. Kung ang point number 2 naman is negative 4 and 2, yung x sub 2 natin ay negative 4 and yung y sub 2 is 2. So, sundan natin yung pattern. So, y minus y sub 1, which is negative 3, that is equal to the y sub 2, 2 minus 3, divided by x sub 2 minus x sub 1, which is 4 plus 1. Multiplied by the quantity x minus x sub 1, and that is x minus 1. Simplify pa natin, y minus 3, that will become y plus 3. 2 minus 3 ay magiging 2 plus 3 or 5. And negative 4 minus 1, that is negative 5 centimeters shorter times x minus 1. So, i-cross-multiply natin yung negative 5, i-distribute natin dito sa left side. And that will give us negative 5y minus 15. And then yung 5 sa numerator ay ma-distribute naman kay x minus 1. So, ito ay magiging 5x minus 5. So, ilipat na muna natin siya dito. Yung negative 5y minus 15 ay magiging 5x equal to 5x minus 5. And kung mapapansin kayo, may bahala kung ano gusto nyo unahin. Siguro, sige, dahil ang nare-require sa atin is the equation of the line in slope-intercept form. So, ang target natin yan is that the y must be isolated. So, para maiwan si y, unang-una, ilipat muna natin si negative 15 sa kabila. So, negative 5y is equal to 5x. So, kung si negative 15 ay magpupunta sa kabila, magiging positive 15 siya. And then, 15 minus 5 is positive 10. And they are all divisible by 5. So, divisible by 5. Sige, gawin muna natin ganito. And this will give us a negative y, which is equal to x plus 2. And this is not the slope-intercept form, di ba? Dahil ang pattern natin sa slope-intercept form ay positive yung y. So, palitan natin yung lahat ng sign. And that will be y is equal to negative x minus 2. And this is letter. Number 20. The equation of a line that intercepts the x-axis at x is equal to 4 and the y-axis at y is equal to negative 6 is, so ano ito? Diba kapag nag-intersect daw yung line sa x-axis at x is equal to 4, meaning that is the x-intercept. So, x is equal to 4. But, sige, pakita na natin. So, meron daw tayong line. So, this is the xy plane, the Cartesian plane. Meron tayong line, hindi pa natin alam kung saan siya papunta. Pero alam natin na yung line ay nag-intersect kay x-axis na kung saan ayan daw ay equal to 4. So, meaning, di ba kapag dito, meron lang value si x na 4, And yung y natin, dahil nasa x-axis yan, is 0. And another thing na sinabi dyan, nag-intersect daw yung line kay y-axis na kung saan yung y daw ay negative 6. So, dahil nag-intersect kay y-axis, si x naman yung 0, and the y is negative 6. So, if we connect the lines, if we connect the points, this will be our line. So, pwede nyo gamitin yung 2 points form dito kasi meron na tayong dalawang points na 4, 0, and then 0 and negative 6. Pero, meron tayong pang-apat na form na ginagamit, di ba? And that is by using the intercepts. So the x-intercept is 4 and the y-intercept is negative 6. And ano ba ang pattern natin kapag intercept form? That is x over a plus y over b is equal to 1. So yung x-intercept natin, that is the a. The y-intercept is the variable b. So substituting x over 4 plus y over negative 6, that is equal to 1. So itong form na to, wala pa siya sa choices. And kung papansinin ulit natin yung choices, they are in the general form, diba? Na kung saan magkasama yung mga variable terms and then nakahiwalay ng constant term and positive yung x term. So paano ang gagawin natin para mawala yung mga denominator? So ang gawin lang natin, i-multiply lang natin lahat ng terms sa product ng dalawang intercept. So kung ang intercept natin ay 4 and negative 6, so i-multiply natin lahat ng terms by 4 and negative 6. So, unahin natin i-multiply itong x term. Siyempre, kapag multiply natin yan, magka-cancel na itong si 4. And ang matitira is negative 6. Sige, pakita natin. So, yung 4 and negative 6 ay mamumultiply kay x over 4 plus yung 4 and negative 6 ay mamumultiply kay y over negative 6 and yung 4 and negative 6 ay mamumultiply kay 1. So, ganyan yan. Diba? So, dito magka-cancel yung 4 and may matitirang negative 6x. Dito magka-cancel ang negative 6. May matitirang positive 4y. And dito naman, 4 times 6, ayan ay negative 24. And kung mapapansin natin, they are all divisible by 2. So, pwede pa natin i-divide lahat by 2. Basta kapag lahat sila ay pwedeng i-divide by a certain number, gawin nyo yan. So, ang matitira dito is negative 3x plus 2y and equal to negative 12. So, dahil positive si, kailangan maging positive si x, multiply ulit natin lahat sa negative 1. So, this will give us an answer na 3x minus 2y which is equal to 12. 3x minus 2y equal to 12. Letter B. Number 21 is 3 over 2 in intercept form. So, di ba ang intercept form natin, that is x over a plus y over b is equal to 1. Unang-una, dapat naka-equal to 1. So, lahat sila naka-equal to 1. And pangalawa, dapat yung numerator ay mga x and y lang. So, wala silang kakaling na. So, unang-unang gagawin natin, gawin muna natin equal to 1. So, by dividing all terms by 3 over 2. 3 over 2 divided by 3 over 2. So, check natin. Or, sige, para hindi maging magulo ang ating equation. So, paano ba natin magagawang 1 ang 3 over 2? Di ba magagawa nating 1 ang 3 over 2 kapag nag-multiply tayo ng kabaliktaran which is 2 over 3. Di ba kapag multiply na natin yan, magka-cancel yung 2, magka-cancel yung 3. So, yung 2 over 3 will be multiplied to 3 over 4x. Ganun din naman, the 2 over 3 will be multiplied to 5 over 2y. And the 2 over 3 multiplying factor natin will be multiplied to 3 over 2. So, cancel ang 3 dito. Kakaroon tayo dito ng 2 over 4 or 1 half. So, x over 2, 1 half. Dito naman, magka-cancel ang 2 and 2. May matitirang 5 over 3 y. And dito naman is magiging equal to 1. So, hindi pa ito yung final answer natin kasi yung y ay may katabi pang 5. So, ito, okay na to, x over 2. Plus, kailangan maging y na lang siya. And yung denominator na 3. Saan mapupunta itong 5? So, syempre, kung gusto natin siyang palipat-lipatin, siya ay mapupunta sa denominator 3. And equal to 1. Tandaan natin, kapag sa denominator, kapag ang denominator natin ay isang fraction, yung denominator na yun ay pwede nyo iyak-iyak sa numerator. So this is the answer. X over 2 plus y over 3 over 5 is equal to 1. And that is letter B. X over 2, 3 over 5. So x over 2 plus y over 3 over 5. So number 20. What is the x-intercept of the line passing through the points? Point number 1 is 1, 4, and the point number 2 is 4, 1. Siyempre, kailangan malaman natin yung equation of the line, and that is using 2 points, or the 2-point form. Y minus y sub 1 is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1 times the quantity x minus x sub 1. So, y minus 4, diba yung y ng point 1? Sundan nyo na lang ha. Y sub 2 minus y sub 1, that would be 1 minus 4. X sub 2 minus x sub 1, and that is 4 minus 1. And x minus x sub 1 is x minus 1. This will be y minus 4. Ito ay negative 3 over positive 3, x minus 1. So, y minus 4 is equal to negative 1 times x minus 1. Distribute natin yung negative. So, y minus 4 is equal to negative x plus 1. So, diba kung pinapahanap sa atin is the x-intercept. That is when y is equal to 0, diba? Sinabi naman na natin yan. Nakukuha natin ang x-intercept when y is equal to 0. So, palitan natin ng 0 yung y. So, 0 minus 4 is equal to negative x plus 1. So, this will give us negative 4 is equal to negative x plus 1. Ilipat natin si x para maging positive. And then, ilipat natin si 4 magiging positive 4 plus 1. And that will give us a value of x which is equal to 5. So, letter P. So, kung gusto nyo naman gamitin yung intercept form, di ba, from this equation, y minus 4 is equal to negative x plus 1. So, ilipat natin si x. Kaya magiging x plus y. And then, yung negative 4, ilipat natin. Magiging positive 4 plus 1 equal to 5. And di ba yung intercept form, ayan, ay always equal to 1. Kaya, i-divide natin all sides by 5. Kaya, x over 5 plus y over 5 is equal to 1. The x-intercept is 5. So, number 23. Find the area of the triangle which the line 4x minus 6y plus 12 is equal to 0 forms with the coordinate axis. So, paano daw tayo makakabuo ng triangle? So, meron tayong given line 4x minus 6y plus 2. So, hindi pa natin alam kung pag ganyan yan or pag ganito. And ang ang magtatapos sa triangle para makabuo tayo ng triangle is yung y-axis and then yung x-axis. So, ito yung triangle. Kaya dito naman, y-axis and the x-axis. Ito naman yung triangle. Okay, ganun, di ba? So, para magawa natin yung kailangan alam natin kung saan point ba tatama yung line kay x and y-axis. And that is the x-intercept. Diba? Ito yung point na kung saan tatama kay x-axis and the y-intercept. So the x-intercept is when y is equal to 0. So from the equation 4x minus 6y plus 12 is equal to 0. So 4x minus 6 times 0 plus 12 is equal to 0. So cancel na to. This will give us 4x is equal to negative 12. And solving 4x, that is negative 12 over 4. And this is negative 3. And for y-intercept naman, that is when x is equal to 0. So 4 times yung x natin na 0 minus 6 times the y-intercept plus 12 is equal to 0. So this will give us negative 6y is equal to negative 12 and y is equal to negative 12 over negative 6. That is positive 2. So kung igagraph na natin dalawang intercept, so ito yung when x is 0, yung y ay 2. And ito naman is yung when y is 0, negative 3 ang x. So this is the triangle. And dahil nga yung x and y axis are perpendicular with each other, the triangle is a right triangle na mayroong formula sa area na 1/2 of the base times height. So bilangin lang natin ilang units ba yung base ng ating right triangle, and that is 1 unit, 2 units, 3 units, and the height of the triangle is 1 unit, 2 units. So 1/2 times 3 units times 2 units. So cancel ang 2. So the answer is 3 square units. Letter A. Gawin is the DF, passing through. Kasi nabasa natin yung passing through. So, gawin natin yung solution number 2. So, find the equation of the line if the length of the segment intercepted by the coordinate axis of the is square root of 5. So, find the equation of the line if the length of the segment intercepted by the coordinate axis has a value of square root of 5. So, mahirap pala to. So, ang gawin na lang natin is the solution number 1, which is the DF passing through. So, hanapin lang natin kung sino ang magsasatisfy. So, when x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 2. So, isa-substitute natin to. X is 2 and then y is 2. So, from letter A, that would be 2, x plus y, alpha y, minus 2. So, calc natin, x is 2, y is also 2, dapat equal to 0. So, equal to 4, meaning mali si letter A. Si letter B, ayan ay 2x minus y minus 2. So, calc natin 2, 2, 0. So, tama si letter B. Siyempre, kapag nag-DF passing through tayo, kung may na-prove tayong tama, i-prove natin yung natitira na mali. Kasi baka mamaya, sumobra sa isa yung nagsasatisfy. So, calc x is 2, y is 2, 4. Mali din si letter C. And then lastly, 2x plus y plus 2. So, ito malinaw na to na the answer is not 0. So, the answer is letter B. Number 25. So what is the equation of the line that passes through 4, 0 and is parallel to the line x minus y minus 2 is equal to 0? So meron tayong what is the equation of the line that passes through a given point? So meron na tayong given point, 4, 0. So di ba nakakabuo lang tayo ng equation of the line if there is una, yung first form, merong slope and intercept. Pangalawa is point slope kung merong isang point and slope. Pangatlo is 2 points kapag mayroong 2 points. And pang-apat naman is yung mga intercepts. So dahil 1 point pa lang ang given, pero meron naman given na line dito. So baka pwede tayong makakita ng slope na manggagaling dito sa line na to. Kaya magkakaroon tayo ng point and slope. And that is point slope form. Pero syempre, the solution number 1 na pwede nyo gamitin is, again, the df passing through. Because the line, the answer must be passing through the point 4, 0. Substitute nyo yung x and y as 4 and 0. So dahil meron na tayong, dito tayo sa manual method, so dahil meron tayong given point na 4 and 0, so kunin naman natin yung kasi di ba meron binigay dyan parallel line? Yung daw line natin, yung line na hinahanap natin is parallel to the given line na x minus y minus 2 is equal to 0. And from parallel lines, huwag natin kakalimutan na ang slope ng isa parehas din sa slope ng iba. So, para sa ating required line, ang gagamitin natin point is 4, 0. And also, ang gagamitin nating slope is kung anong slope ang makukuha natin kay line x minus y minus 2 dahil parallel sila. Parehas ang slope nila. So, from x minus y minus 2 is equal to 0. So, ayusin natin yan. Di ba, pinakamadaling kumuha ng slope sa point, sa slope intercept form. So, y is equal to mx plus b. So, ayusin lang natin yan. Di ba, ang gagawin lang natin, ilipat natin si y para maging positive. So, nilipat si y, naging positive. Ang natira is yung x minus 2. Diba? Itong y na to, ang ilipat sa kabila. And ang natira is yung x minus 2, meaning the slope na gagamitin is 1. So, using the slope, m is equal to 1, and the given point na 4, 0, we can now use point slope form. Y minus y sub 1 is equal to m x minus x sub 1. So, y minus 4 is equal to 1, x minus 0. So, y minus 4 is equal to x. And tingnan natin na lang kung sino yung magiging kamukha. Kasi merong positive si y, pero hindi naman positive si x. So, try muna natin na positive si x and naka-equate to 0. Lipat natin lahat sa right side. So, x minus y plus 4 is equal to 0. X minus y plus 4 is equal to 0. So, walang kamukha. So, ang gawin naman natin, si y naman yung positive. Si x ang ililipat. So, y minus x minus 4 is equal to 0. Palapit sa base. So, meron hindi siya lalapit is the letter C. Y minus x minus 4 is equal to 0. Tama ba? Kasi letter B ang answer dito. So, mali pala. Sorry. Mali yung na-substitute natin na point na x sub 1 and y sub y. Kaya, ito, hindi tayo careful dito. So, napakahalaga din pagiging careful kapag nagsosolve. Kasi dito may kapalabas tayong answer which is not correct answer. So, dito nagbaliktad. Dapat ang x natin is yung 4 and yung y is 0. So, this will give us y is equal to x minus 4. So, try ulit natin na positive si x. So, matitira dito yung 0, and then yung x, yung y ay magiging negative, x minus y minus 4. So, meron na siyang kamukha, which is the letter B. So, x minus y minus 4 is equal to 0. So, sorry, pero, and And that reminds us na kailangan maging careful tayo sa pagsasolve. The number